Hey guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you a fishtail versus a reverse fishtail. So I'm going to show you guys the differences. So that's what today's video is going to be about. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you want to split your hair into two equal sections. With the section closest to your face, you're going to slice off a small strand of hair. And then you're just going to take that strand and you're going to cross it over into the opposite section of hair. And I'm sorry if I have to talk quiet because my kids are sleeping. So then with the opposite section of hair, you're just going to slice off a small strand and then cross it over into that front section of hair. And that is literally all you do. So again, with the section closest to your face, you're just going to slice off a small strand of hair, take that strand, cross it over, and add it into the opposite section. Then again, with that back section of hair, slice off a small strand, take that strand, cross it over into that opposite section of hair. So one more time, with that front section, take off a small strand of hair, cross it over, add it into the opposite section. With the back section of hair, slice off a small strand, take that strand, add it into the opposite section. Then just keep repeating these same steps all the way down, and this is how you do a normal fishtail. It's a little tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's really simple to do. You'll be able to do it with your eyes closed. Then once you get to the bottom, just add a hair tie, and then I'm just going to pinch and pull it a little bit to make it appear a little bit thicker, and then here is what a normal fishtail looks like. Okay, somebody wanted to say hi. I haven't showed my kids on here in forever, usually because they're sleeping, but he's still up right now. He has paint all over his face. So can you say hi, Nash? Hi. Say hi. He is my 1.5-year-old. His brother, my almost 3-year-old, is with his dad doing something. I love you. Hi. Now let's do a reverse fishtail. So split your hair into two sections. With the section closest to your face, you're going to slice off a small strand, but you're going to cross it under and add it into that opposite section of hair. So that's the only difference here. So again, with that back section, slice off a small strand of hair, take that strand, cross it under that section and into that opposite section of hair. Then with that front section, slice off a small strand of hair, take that strand of hair, cross it under and then into that opposite section. Add it in. With the back section, slice off a small strand of hair, take that strand, cross it under, add it into the opposite section. And then one more time, with that front section, slice off a small strand, take that strand, cross it under, add it into the opposite section. With the back section, slice off a small strand, take that strand, cross it under into the opposite section. Do these steps all the way down. So a reverse fishtail, it does take a little bit longer than a normal fishtail. And it takes a few stitches of a reverse fishtail braid to actually see the reverse fishtail. Unlike a normal fishtail, you see it right away. But it does, a reverse fishtail, it does look a little bit different. So I will show you guys here in a minute what it looks like. So then I'm just going to pinch and pull it a little bit, and here is a reverse fishtail. Do you guys see the difference? If you don't, I'm going to do a side by side, but I just want to show you it up close by itself first. So here's a fishtail on the left, and then here's a reverse fishtail on the right. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think they look the same, or do you see the difference between the reverse fishtail and a normal fishtail? Personally, I see a difference, and I normally do the reverse fishtail, but someone who maybe doesn't braid a lot might not. That is the video. I hope you maybe learned something new. Are you going to try the reverse fishtail, or are you just going to stick with the fishtail? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you want a fishtail hack, check out this video right here. Mwah! Love you guys. Bye.